Welcome back to Startup Accounting 101. This is the video series for founders and small business owners to understand accounting fundamentals for running a business. This video is part of the QuickBooks 101 series. These are basics and best practices for the most used accounting platform of small business, which is Intuit QuickBooks Online. Now, I've been holding off on posting new videos because as of October 1st of 2025, all QBO QuickBooks Online users have been converted to a new redesigned interface, which is what we see here. I am using the sample company for Craig's design and landscaping services, and I've been waiting for the sample company to upgrade and update their layout as well before creating any new videos. So hopefully now I'll be able to do them on a more consistent basis. So if you have QuickBooks Online, you should be able to follow along. So this video is an overview of products and services. So in QuickBooks, products and services, they have to be set up in order to create a lot of the transactions in QuickBooks. So if we look at the sales transactions, and we can find them starting, if we go to My Apps, in the Sales and Get Paid section, we have various sales transactions. So if we open that, here are all the different sales transactions. So we're talking about invoices, estimates, sales receipts, credit memos, any of these items. If we open this up, here we see products and services as pretty much the first column or first item to complete when creating an invoice. Let's just add a customer here, which is required for all invoices. So if I were to leave this blank, let's say I didn't put anything down, and for the description, I'm going to write description of what I just sold, and I sold it for $20. If I were to try to save this invoice, QuickBooks will default and put in a product and service that maybe, they're going to best estimate what type of product or service this is. So for you as the owner, you want to make sure that you're driving QuickBooks to show that this is what you're either providing or you're selling. So this is on the sales side. When products and services, they can also be used on different expense items. So we have basically the expense, or this is the vendor section. So we have bills and expense transactions. So if we open up the bills, we add a bill, there is a section for items. So if you are purchasing an item, there's an opportunity to put that within any of your vendor invoices. So products and services in general, it's one of the first setup items that you will need to do in order to effectively use QuickBooks Online. So here are the different ways to get to the products and services listing. So there are 3 different ways to find them. First, you can go to My Apps, and it's because the sales transactions, they require a product and service. So products and services will sit under the sales section. So under My Apps, you go to Sales and Get Paid, and at the very bottom, you'll see products and services, and you'll open that up, and here's a list of all the products and services that have been created in your QuickBooks account. So that's the first way. The second way is to go to the gear icon, and here under lists, product and services are important enough, they have their own section. So you can choose products and services, and this would open up. And the third way, which is very similar, you can go to gear, the gear icon, and open up all the different lists within QuickBooks. And products and services will be the third one down on your left. It's products and services. So if you click that, the products and services list will also open up. So now we have covered sort of an overview of products and services, and now we can jump right into the creation of either a product or a service. So the next video, we're going to create a service. So like and comment if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.